Hi there, Derek Fraser here from Coldstream Rod Shop. Just going to go over what we've done with the 5-window coupe project since we last did the last video. I've got a mic on now, so I'm rather hoping that you can hear me better. So what's going on is I've taken all the parts, I've laid them out, put them in different places, and what I've done so far is I've attached the original 32 firewall to the frame, made sure it's square. I've taken the front half of a sedan cowl and connected it to the firewall. Over here, I've got part of the front subframe right now in. I've done a little bit of repair work because there was a big twist to it. What I've done is I've also picked out the two best doors, as I can tell, that are coupe doors. And I'll just basically show you that this is basically my sanity check that I've got the cowl in nice and square. The goal will be over the next few days is to repair these doors, fix the hinges up, attach the hinges, make sure that both doors are square to the cowl. As you can see, one of the doors is in not very good shape, so we've got 3 other doors over here and a bunch of parts. There's coupe doors and 4-door doors. Now 4-door front doors are very similar to a coupe door. There's a little bit different shape to them, but I'll be able to salvage some of the pieces from the outside and the inner panels to be able to reconstruct the 2 coupe doors. Around the back here, I'll just show you. Along the back, I've laid out all the pieces so I can kind of see what I've got and what I've got to work with as far as repair panels, original pieces. There's a little bit of wood. There's a couple reproduction pieces here. The trunk lid is a reproduction trunk lid that was louvered. The floor pan is a reproduction floor pan. There's a lot of original pieces. We're going to try and use as many original pieces as we can, and when we can't, we'll use the reproduction pieces. I'll also show you what we've been doing on the pickup truck so far. We've got a little bit done to it, so over here, what I've done over the past couple days is I've welded in these square vents, which are going to be the defrost, and then attached the little plastic pieces on the bottom. I'm not going to hook this up, but ultimately this is what's going to happen, is that this will go up to here, and then there'll be another piece that will go over to there, and then the dash will fit over the top like this, and then I'll just put 2 little slits here to be able to blow the air up onto the windshield. The other thing that's had to be done is install the emergency brake handle. So it took quite a bit of trying to figure out where I was going to put it. Ultimately, I chose to hook it up and weld it up against the low car shifter with the 2 cables going down underneath the frame to the back. I will have to cut up my nice little transmission tunnel to put a hole into it, but that's what you got to do. Not a whole lot of space inside of these, so you got to make use of what you've got. So anyways, over the next couple of days, I'll get that finished, make sure the dash fits, and then I'll be in a position to take the cab off and start doing the bodywork. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Take care.